Good morning, guys. Nandito kami sa park. What is that name, darling?
Argyle Lake.
Uh,
Argyle Lake.
Argyle Lake. Ito, ang daming goose. Litaw ba? Kami yata ang litaw eh. Ito. Yan, ayun sila, ang daming goose. Ano yan? Yung wild goose. Walang pwedeng gumalaw sa mga yan. Basta parami lang sila ng parami. Doon kami nanggaling sa kabilaan ito. Umiikot kami. Hanggang doon. Pabalik kami doon, yan. Doon. Malaking ikot ang gagawin namin. Maraming namamasyal dito. Lalo na pag weekend na ganito. Niyaya ko si daddy kasi araw-araw nga naglalakad ako. Day off naman niya. Kaya ito, maglalakad kami. Doon ang daming gusto. Doon ang dami. Hindi man ginagalaw dito to. Mga galsa. Bawal. Tsaka hindi kinakain. Anybody eat gusanica?
I don't know. Honestly, I couldn't tell you.
Malaki to lake na to. Ang dami rin namamasyal, pamilya. Naglalakad sila. Yan, naisipan kong mag-video para somebody may mingwit ng isda. Ayun. Here not much goose na.
Hi, baby. You're smiling.
Hello. This side nothing.
It's very low. I know that.
Yeah. That side too much. The one no water.
I don't know what that is over there.
Yeah. Malaki ang inikot namin. Itong nakapaikot na to, inikot namin.
I think this is one that I want to take a picture of. One here and one over here. One over here.
Which one?
Over here, I think. This one.
This house?
Yeah.
This the one you take picture before?
Yep.
The big one?
Yeah.
I tell you I don't like.
That one, that's not the same one.
Not that one. There is dog. I hear dog. Give way.
No, they're behind me yet.
Huh?
They're not quite behind me yet.
I hear dog.
Yeah, I do too. Over there.
Yeah, I remember this house when you capture. I thought this in Marina, this one. I thought it's so big. Ano pala to? Dalawang lake. Two lake na. Here no goose.
Lake in the front of the same body.
Marami nagbabike dito. Ayan. Malaki pa rin to lake na to. May aso doon. Ang ganda ng bahay. Malaki. Kaya lang. Anin mo naman ang bahay na malaki dito. I don't see a lot of goose here. That side only.
Yeah.
May namimingwit ng isda. Minsan nakakaanong,
You want to do one more round? Or
ha?
you want to do another round?
No, just one. It's okay.
All right.
Yeah. Because I want to pee, you know.
Okay.
At least I see the lake.
And there's the waterfall where they take the pictures.
Waterfall.
Yeah.
It's not
See,
open.
this is what they're gonna dash out. See how long it is? The little brown one.
This is the ano. Ang ganda ng aso. Pandak.
I think it's good at it. It's going to move a little bit.
So cute. This one is look like want to bite.
Yeah, he looks that way.
Ayun naka.
I thought about doing that, bringing my camera out. I thought about doing what he's doing, bringing my camera out.
Doon kami nang galing Doon where we came for. There, that side. Yan. Nagpaikot kami. Wait. Wait,
They're not even moving. They're not even looking. Just go behind me.
Okay.
She was 90. I had looked to Lancaster, something like different.
That's where we got
Oh,
him.
yeah.
Yeah.
But at the time, in April, we didn't want to drive.
Right.
May mga aso sila. What this? What this, Anika?
This is where the water, that's why I said they must be doing work.
This water is just make round like this?
And the water will flow through.
Yeah.
Damon took his wedding photos here.
Damon? This is the Lake Damon wedding?
This is where he took his water, his pictures. They came
Dito raw picture sila yung kapatid niya nung kinasal.
But like I said, they're doing work. They put new stairs.
May manghuhuli ng
They
isda.
must be doing everything over.
There's fish here.
I don't know what kind.
No, you see the people?
Yeah,
They bring
yeah, they're fishing. But I don't know what kind of fish they got.
somebody picture also here. Taking picture. May nagpipicture dito. Kakasal yata sila.
You know what? Let's move up a little. Let's get mom in a coat.
Hello.
Have you put your mask on? We try.
Hi! Parang ikakasal sila. That is maybe wedding.
No, I think they're doing some kind of music production.
Huh.
That's my feeling. They must be doing some on a musical production, or they might be trying to get some kind of acting.
Malapit na kaming makarating doon sa parking. Nakaikot na kaming
Let's come again. The next time I
isang ikot.
come a little.
Not
a little later.
no, maybe not Saturday.
Yeah, maybe not Saturday. You're right.
Yeah. Saturday kasi, ito na pala yung parking space. Andito na kami. Pauwi na kami. Isang ikot lang. Doon kami nang galing. Ayan yung Ito yung
See a lot of people come with their kids. They hang
Yeah.
out at the park.
pauwi na kami. Pupunta na kami doon sa sasakyan. At least nakaikot. Nakamoy ako ng fresh air na, darling. Maraming nakapark dito.
Where's she going?
Huh? He's going to. Ano? Maybe she know we are going. Andito, ang daming nakapark, no? Punong-puno. She's so asked to come. Mahirap mag-park dito, kaya ay. So, yun na muna. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I love you all. Parang ko, nagka-energy ko. Maraming salamat sa mga napapadaan sa channel ko. Maraming salamat. Na-appreciate ko yun.
You're gonna get in the
Mga
space.
anak, mga apo,
Give me some space to move, you freaking idiot.
I love you all. Ito, pa-uwi na kami. Ang daming park dito. Nakapark dito. Kaya hirap na hirap lumabas si Daddy. Nagmumura na naman. Ayan, ang daming sasakyan. Cross-cross ang sasakyan dito. Have a blessed day. I love you all. Noem, salamat sa panonood. Bestie, Sheena, I love you. Ingat. Mga anak, mga apo, Rai, Keng Keng, Chuchay, Jane,
Chucha and
Yeah.
Jane.
Precious, and MJ. I love you mga apo. Chin Chin, Maybell.
Hi,
love you.
Maybell.
I love you mga apo.
Say hello to Shane.
Hello daw kay Shane.
Say hello to everyone. Love you, Precious. Love you, MJ. Love you. Love everybody.
I love you, Noem. Skian. I love you, apo. Ingat. Ingat kayo lahat dyan. Love you all. Chuchay.